Kamay sa'yo.
Tapos ka na nga?
Ang laki ng waterfall!
Tingin. Okay lang yan.
It's okay. It's okay.
Coconut. Ikaw man.
Ay, oh. Oh.
Hindi tsura mo lang.
Look at mine, guys. Look at mine, guys. 100% creative and real artist. No. Shut up.
Ang ganda ng drawing ko, guys.
No. This is my drawing. It's so obvious. It's so obvious that mine is the pretty.
And this is
beautiful.
his.
Ay, ito rin drawing ko. Maliit.
Bye!
Wait.
Kaya?
Guys, which drawing is better?
Ay,
Mine,
walang ganyan.
my mom, or my sister? Which one it is?
Uy!
Oy.